All right, this is at Brown Hall at Lake Forest College. And this place has been heavily renovated, and the elevator has been modernized. This thing got totally modded. I don't know why. This thing is only installed in the 80s, and then it got totally modded by, I think, Anderson in the 2000s, and then TK came along and I guess modded it again for some reason. All right, let's go up to 5. Just your basic ThyssenKrupp mod. Honestly, I think this mod is pretty boring. I mean, it's decent, it runs well, it's clean, it looks nice, but it's not really that interesting. There's where the old indicator and old lantern used to be. Yeah, this thing didn't used to have a stainless steel cab. Yeah, they really modded this thing. I don't know why. It didn't really need a mod. But who knows, maybe there was some issue. Anyway,